everybody, thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. If you're one of my amazing subscribers, welcome back. As you guys saw in the title of this video, today I'm going to be recreating the Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga Rain On Me makeup, specifically Ariana Grande's look. Now there were two looks in this video, but I will be doing the white one. So if you guys want to see what that looks like and how to achieve this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I noticed in the video that her eyebrows were a little more straight, but with my face shape, I literally look like Spock when I do that. So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows the way I usually do them, just a little bit straighter than I usually do them for this look. So first I am going to go in with a little bit of the brown shade from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I noticed in the video she had a little bit of brown on the outer corner of her eye, so I'm just gonna dust a little bit on there and see how it looks. So I went ahead and dusted a little bit of the brown shade on the outer corner of my eye, and now I'm going to start with the eyeliner. Today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. cream eyeliner. So now I have one eye done, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my other eye. Okay, so now I am done with the black eyeliner, as you guys can see. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara. Today I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. Also going to go in with the exact same black eyeliner and go ahead and line my waterline. So now that I went ahead and lined my eyes with the black eyeliner, now I'm going to go in with my NYX white eyeliner. Now for me, this part is extremely tricky, so I recommend you guys take your time and try to get this right the first time. I am actually looking at a picture of her makeup. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now I'm all finished with this eye. The NYX eyeliner turned out to not be opaque enough. It was kind of ashy looking, so I went in with my Modern Mattes palette by BH Cosmetics. And I used this white shade along with the NYX First Base Primer Spray. So I used the NYX eyeliner to just line out the design, and then I went back with the eyeshadow and the primer to make it more opaque. gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes. Today I'm going to be using the Kiss Lash Couture. It is the Naked Drama collection, and these are what they look like. I'm also going to go in with the Kiss Lash Adhesive. Okay, so now that I have my eyelashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And first I'm going to apply my primer, and today I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Poreless Face Primer. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, and I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix foundation. So now that I've applied my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is the Dark to Deep, and I'm going to be using the Sculpt shade in the middle. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish up using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. And again, thanks so much for tuning into my channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.